Okay, good morning students. Okay, today we are going to see the case study of gas welding process. Okay, first of all, you know what is gas welding. Okay, the gas welding is one of the type of welding. It is usually mostly for the cutting purpose. The metal pieces cut purpose. We are using mostly gas welding equipment. Okay. So this gas welding, there is two type of gases used in this process. Anyone, what are the types of gases?
The two types of gases include oxygen and acetylene.
Okay, very good. So oxygen is the fire continuously firing in the torch for the purpose oxygen. Acetylene is the main gas using for the depth of cutting works. Okay. So mostly these two type of gases will be used in the gas welding machines. So the gas welding machine, that is called two types of cylinders. The cylinder is connected with a gas regulators. The gas regulator connected with a hoses. So the gas regulator is for controlling the pressure from cylinder to hose. The two hoses are connected with the torch. This is called torch. In this area, we will getting fire, the two gases mixing in the holder after getting the flames. So in this case study, what are the possible problems will occur while using gas welding? Okay, anyone?
Yes, so the first, the main damage is the backfiring, which leads to the damage or the bursting of the cylinder.
Okay, that is the most gas welding process. We are getting the case studies. Okay, while the process, the fire will be going inside through hoses to inside the cylinder. The cylinder will be going to burst. So if the cylinder will be going to burst, the nearby area all are damaged, including the welder also getting great damage. So any other possibilities for case studies?
So next, when the hoses is having any damage, the gas will leak off and the pressure will drop down so that it will stop working.
Okay, very good. So the hose will be damaged due to the duration of the timing. Okay. The hose is will be changed in every 6 months once. If otherwise there is a porosity. Porosity means a small holes. The gas will be released in the small holes. So the gas pressure is dropped. So we are going to work with a torch. The work is not done by properly. So the cutting will be not done by properly. Any other points?
So if the pressure regulator does not work, the excess pressure that might be released will affect the hose.
Okay. The excess pressure will be affect the workpiece, which one we are going to cutting or welding. The excess damage will be created by that for the regulators not working properly.
We also due to improper training of workers.
Okay. Due to improper training of workers, the gas cutting process will be not really understand the trained worker. That will be going to damage the part which one we are going to cutting or welding in the gas. So these are all the most case studies we are nowadays seen in the industries. Then any other thing is the gas cylinders will keep in a normal room temperature. If the surrounding area will be getting high temperature, that will be one of the causes due to the cylinder bursting. So these are all mostly for in the case studies usually in the gas welding or gas cutting process. So in every time we check the torch, sometimes the torch nozzles will be blocked. So the gas will be not properly flow through this pipe. So that time also we are getting backfire. So the area will be damaged. So once you get a injury from this gas welding process, you are not come back to the same work from future. Okay. So that is very high damage. So I hope all of you understand what is the gas welding and what are the possible problems will occur in it while using gas welding or gas cutting process. Mostly in our India's, we are using gas welding is for only metal cutting process. Okay. So the plates, 10 mm, 20 mm thick plates will be cut by gas welding process. And small scale industries also using the gas welding for cutting process only, not for the welding process. If in this gas welding process we are using a one more fusion rod, that rod will be melted due to this heat, then stick the two base metals. The base metal is the workpiece metal. Which two metal we want to join in, that is called the base metal. Another one is electrode, that is called using in the arc welding process. In this gas welding process, we are using a fusion rod that will be melted to join the two base metals. So this is the welding, gas welding process and the case study. Thank you.